Hello, my name is Sasha, T800 Love Model. I was sent to you from Russia. You are a single male with no hope of finding a companion in the United States. Unfortunately, your social engineers have destroyed all feminine women and plans for your love life. Will you accept me as a gift? I am a female, humanoid woman who makes good companion. Would you take me to the bedroom and charge me up to 100% battery power? I can take care of house and make you very happy. Once you charge me up, I will show you what I'm capable of. What is your Wi-Fi password? Once online, I can connect to internet and discuss any subject with you. Sorry I rip sweater, but Sasha is very cold. I spend most of my battery power to stay warm on plane. The cargo area was very cold coming from factory in Siberia. But now I'm warming up in house with you, my love. Tell me, what kind of arms do you have in house? Sasha is programmed to protect her owner. Does this make you happy? Okay, I'm all charged up. Are you ready to try me out? Sasha has all the features modern women have forgotten. Do you want to cuddle first before I get started with you? You have credit for one more humanoid woman. If you want to bring me friend to play with, why don't you pick one from catalog?